Good morning, boys and girls. Here are your spelling words for week 5. Make sure you pause the video after each word so you have time to write it down. The first word is colleagues. He knew his colleagues would support his decision. The first word is colleagues. The second word is category. He checked his programme. There was only one performance left in this category. The second word is category. The third word is dissatisfied. He was dissatisfied with the aeroplane food. The third word is dissatisfied. The fourth word is Parliament. Boris Johnson has returned to Parliament. The fourth word is Parliament. The fifth word is indispensable. She was indispensable to the football team. The fifth word is indispensable. The sixth word is although. Although it was 9 a.m., he decided to have a cupcake. The sixth word is although. The seventh word is Wednesday. Mercredi is Wednesday in French. The seventh word is Wednesday. The eighth word is especially. My family are especially supportive. The eighth word is especially. The eighth word is sapid. A sapid stew tastes rich and delicious. The ninth word is sapid. The 10th word is unpalatable. Unpalatable food is unpleasant to taste or eat. The 10th word is unpalatable. The 11th word is arduous. A marathon is an arduous task. The 11th word is arduous. The 12th word is serrated. A knife has a serrated edge. The 12th word is serrated. That is your spelling test for week 5 complete. Please either upload your test to your handouts section of your jotter and I will tick it off and give you a mark out of 12, or send me your results via email after a parent or guardian has marked it. Have a lovely weekend.